hotel front desk.
Good evening.
Good evening. Welcome to the Sunshine Hotel.
Thanks. I have a reservation.
What name is it under?
Thomas Weber.
One moment. Yes, I see it.
Great.
You're staying 3 nights, correct?
Yes, until Sunday.
Perfect. You're in room 205, second floor.
Is there an elevator?
Yes, right over there.
Thanks. Is this a key card?
Yes, an electronic key card.
Nice. What time is breakfast?
From 7 to 10 a.m.
Where is it served?
In the ground floor restaurant.
Is it included?
Yes, breakfast is included.
Great. Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, it's free.
What's the password?
Sunshine Hotel 2020.
Thanks. Is there a safe in the room?
Yes, every room has a safe.
Great. Is parking available?
Yes, behind the hotel. $15 per day.
Okay. What time is checkout?
By 11 a.m. on Sunday.
Can I check out late?
Yes, for $25.
Okay. I'll think about it.
No problem. Do you need anything else?
Is there a gym?
Yes, in the basement. Open 6 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Perfect. Is there a restaurant?
Yes, it opens at 6 p.m.
Can I reserve a table for 7 p.m. tonight?
Absolutely. I'll take care of it.
Thanks.
Enjoy your stay.
Thanks. Good night.